Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Salam sejahtera. Alright, so we continue the lecture for solute, solvent, and solution. Alright, so given the example sugar and water, and then sugar solution. Alright, so this is I wanted to show to you all about what is it the connection between solute, solvent, and solution. So sugar is one example of solute. Okay, can be a solid or maybe can be the liquid, right? And then water is one example of solvent, inorganic solvent. So solvent always a liquid, right? So sugar plus water, you will manage to get sugar solution. Alright, so solute plus solvent equal to solution. Alright, so this is the concept or the connection between solute, solvent, and solution. Alright, so the other example, solute plus solvent equal to solution. So what is solute? What is solvent? What is solution? So solute is the substance present in the smaller amount. Meanwhile, for the solvent is the substance present in the larger amount. And then what is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. Alright. So, for example, solvent can put it in the volumetric plus. Inside there is solute. Alright. Solute. So you managed to get the solution right. So from that one, we can calculate the this one. Just okay, cancel the M here, right? Because this is the unit. Alright, for the concentration measurements, the first one, you can calculate the molarity, and also the molality. And that one is you can calculate the mole fraction, and also you can calculate the percentage by mass, and the last one, percentage by volume. Alright, so the first one, molarity. What is molarity? So number of mole of solute per cubic decimeter, from cubic per cubic decimeter, dm cube. Or you can change it to number of mole of solute per liter, per liter of solution. Or you can write down the formula, molarity equal to N solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So always the unit of for the solution is in liter. Okay, and then the unit for the N solute is, of course, all of you know, mole. Alright, so unit for molarity is mole per liter, or mole per dm cube, or just molar, or m bigger M besar. But I suggest you all to use mole per liter. Why? Because based to the equation here, mole over here mean y below the volume of solution is in liter, right? So mole per liter. I suggest you all use this unit. All right, and then okay, the example number 3. Okay, calculate the molarity of a solution of 1.71 gram sucrose. Okay, given the molecular formula for sucrose C12H22O11 and dissolved in a 0.5 liter of solution. Okay, so macam mana? Alright. So solute sucrose 1.71 gram. Solvent berapa solvent? Solvent not given, but the solution given, right? 0.5. So datanya lengkap lah. Alright. So the firstly, you all must write down the formula first. So write down the formula. Okay, and then so given 1.71 gram of sucrose. So this one is the mass for the sucrose. So you must calculate the mole for sucrose. Right. So given the volume of the solution is 0.5 liter. Alright. So okay, molar mass for sucrose. Please be careful, guys. While you calculating the molar mass for sucrose, please make sure all the AR that you take is correct value. Alright, so for where is it? Okay, so make sure carbon AR for carbon is 12, AR for 12.0, AR for hydrogen is 1.0, and then AR for oxygen is 16.0. Okay, and then the carbon 12 times 12 for the hydrogen there is 22 hydrogen, and then oxygen there is 11 oxygen. So you will manage to get 342 gram per mole. That is the unit for the MR. Okay, and then okay so you can calculate the mole for the sucrose. So 1.71 gram divided by 342.0 gram per mole. So lastly, the gram you will cancel, right? So leave it the mole. Alright. So you will manage to get, what is it? Okay, the mole for sucrose is 0. Wait up, guys. Wait. Erase all. Alright. Okay. So you will manage to get 0.005 mole of sucrose. Okay. So from this answer, you will manage to get, what is it? Molarity equal to 0.005 mole divided by 0.5 liter. Please make sure in liter, guys. Alright, so the final answer will be final answer will be 0.01 mole per liter. Okay, 0.0100 mole per liter. Okay, and then okay, molality. Okay, so the definition for the molality is number of mole of solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. Okay, so here you all must know the concept. Okay, so earlier I already told you all that the concept is solute plus solvent equal to solution. Okay, so you can say the mass of solute plus the mass of solvent is equal to the mass of solution. Okay, so the formula for the molality is this one. So please memorize this formula, guys. So molality equal to N solute in mole unit, mole, and then divided by the mass of solvent. Okay, so if you compare to molarity, the volume of solution in liter, but for molality, N solute divided by the mass of solvent in kilogram. Okay, so the unit will be mole per kg or molal or M kecil, liter M. Alright, so I suggest you all use this unit, mole per kg. This one is mole, and then this one is kg of solvent. Alright, and then okay, we go to the example. Calculate the molality of sulfuric acid solution containing 24.40 gram of sulfuric acid in 198.0 gram of water. Alright, so the concept here, you must know what is it the solute, which one is it the solute, which one is it the solvent, and which one is it the solution. Alright, so 24.4 gram of sulfuric acid is the solute, right? And then 198 gram of water is the solvent. Alright, so you can change the unit. 198 just divided to 1000, yeah, you can manage to get 0.198 kilogram of solvent. Okay, this one given. Right, this one later you will find it the mole for H2SO4. Alright, so how is it we wanted to solve the problem? So okay, so molality here, cancel this one, cancel the M here because the M is the unit. Alright, so molality equal to N solute in mole unit divided by the mass of solvent in kg, kilogram. Okay, and then okay, given the mass 24.40, the mass of solute 24.40, and the mass for solvent is, we already find it, right? 0.198 kilogram, right? Okay, is it? Wait. Yeah, correct. 0.198 kilogram. Okay. And then, okay. Right. Okay. So the first step is calculate the mole for solute. This one is mole for solute. Solute. Alright. And sulfuric acid equal to mass already given, and molar mass you find it based to the table of radioatomic mass. Make sure your molar mass is correct. So you will manage to get 98.08 gram per mole. Tolong kira betul-betul lah. Kesalahan pelajar kat situ banyak kantoi, kat situ banyak silap. Alright. So okay, so okay, so 24.4 gram divided by the mass of sulfuric acid, you will manage to get 0.2488 mole of solute. Alright, done. Once you manage to calculate the mole of solute, just insert the data or the answer here. Alright, so molality of H3SO4 equal to the mole of solute in mole unit divided by the mass of solvent, kg. Right. Okay, so you calculate 0.2488 mole divided by 0.198 kilogram. Yeah, you will manage to get, or is it? So manage to get, okay, 1.260. Okay, so you change it the unit, and do not like to use the M here, so you change the unit to what is it, mole per kg. So 1.26 mole per kg. Alright, use this unit. Okay, mole per kg. Okay, mole per kg. Wait up, wait. Okay, alright, so mole per kg. Alright, okay, so for the percentage by mass, we will continue. I will continue later. Okay guys, so we stop here guys. Okay, bye bye.